As a part of Wellness Committee's Wet Privilege project, the members of IVSA Mumbai came together to discuss their privileges and take up on this challenge.
Privilege to me is an opportunity that I might have that others who are not as privileged as me might not.
A privilege to me is the liberty to make any choice which I can make without being judged for making that choice, just because someone else will be judged for making that choice.
So, privilege for me is the choice to stand up for an event or not. Like, if I want to, I will stand up for that cause. If I do not want to, if it does not affect me directly, I may not. And that is my privilege, to have a choice between standing up for a cause or not.
Privilege to me is the choice of choosing veterinary, where so many other people have to go into such a career which is beneficial for their family alone.
So privilege for me is that people trust me with the fact that I'm able to do so much of rescuing, and with the fact that people are able to help me with donations because I'm privileged enough to use social media to be in touch with all the veterinarians and all the students I know.
Privilege to me is going out and helping strays and all, even in the pandemic.
Yeah, privilege to me is that I have been given the opportunity to have a proper education, and that my parents have supported me in my choice of career. And this gives me an opportunity to help others who are not as privileged as I am.
Privilege to me is living within a few kilometers to our college, and while other people are traveling from different states to study here.
To check our wet privilege, we took up the Put a Finger Down challenge. And here's how it went.
Rules of the game. Each participant has to hold up 5 fingers. For every statement that applies to you, put a finger down, starting from your thumb to your pinky finger. Let's begin. Put a finger down if you have access to veterinary education in your own city. Put a finger down if you have a family member or relative in the veterinary fraternity. Put a finger down if you were allowed to bring home an animal you rescued or were taking care of. Put a finger down if your college offers options for postgraduate studies in a subject of your choice. Put a finger down if you had access to online education during the COVID-19 pandemic. Every finger that we have put down during this game is a privilege that often goes unrecognized by us. Sometimes it's important to acknowledge our privileges and make sure that we hold ourselves accountable and use it for the benefit of others.
So it's very humbling to acknowledge and realize that you are more privileged than others, even if it's only the small things. So yeah, we should acknowledge our own privileges and use it and try and help others to come up.
Privilege is something that is not a sin, but it is very important to realize what your privileges are and to be aware of them rather than ignore them and misuse them.
It's not a bad thing to have privilege. It only becomes that when you're unaware of that, or you don't, recognize that privilege. So when you have privilege, there's nothing wrong with it, but like you not being aware of it or being ignorant towards it, that's what's wrong. I would like to say that privilege is different for everybody, and we are not fighting about who has more privilege or who has less. We just need to acknowledge our privilege at the personal level and understand what we can give with the privilege.
So, even though I don't earn as such, even though I'm a student yet, I'm glad that I have the privilege of having economically stable parents who let me help animals around with their finance. So I'm privileged to have an economically stable parents.
I have the privilege of having parents who are liberal enough and being economically stable to be able to choose this line of career and to basically do what I love doing.
As a student, I think I have the privilege to stay with my family and stay in the city where I've grown up and go to college. I don't have to leave my home and stay in a hostel just to attend college. Yeah.
Like I said, I think I have the privilege to have parents who understand and mentally support the fact that I might need time, and they gave me the time to choose whatever career that I wanted. And in the end, they were okay with whatever I was okay with. I mean, not everybody has such understanding people at home, but I feel privileged.
I think I'm privileged to have like everyone here where honestly all of us are being able to discuss it, acknowledge our privilege and have a platform which is a safe space, because I think that's really important.
So I have privilege enough to go out in the pandemic and have trust for all my friends and my parents, because it's a very big thing to go out at COVID times and actually help animals. And it's not an easy task because you require so much of donations. And I'm privileged enough to get all those donations by the help of social media, my friends and my family, and also help these little babies.
So I'm privileged enough to be able to donate to people who do such things because I'm not allowed to go out during the pandemic. So yeah, I that's how I help with my privilege.
So not only do I have the privilege to be financially stable to support other animals and to care for them, but also I have a liberal family and everyone who loves animals equally as much as I do. And they're okay with me bringing injured animals home and caring for them. So that is a privilege. Like, not everyone gets that.
I think being a part of IVSA is also a privilege because not everybody gets to be a part of that. And through that, we do seminars, we do connect to the doctors and people in our field, and we connect them to the students of our college and to the other students. So I think we as a collective IVSA students, we are also using our privilege to help the other students.
What separates privilege from entitlement is gratitude. When we're grateful for all the privilege that we have, we can use our privilege to help others around us.